Hi, and welcome back to the Drink Blog. Today we're going to make a Virgin Tom or Tom a Virgin. And we're going to do that with some tonic water, dry diet tonic water, not pentatonic water, not chromatic water, but diet tonic water. Diatonic? Get it? Music joke? Anyway, and we're going to use Bittermilk #2, Tom Collins with elderflower and hops. Well, I don't want to drink any more alcohol today, and I've had requests for virgin drinks. So here's Tom the Virgin. We're going to take 1 ounce of bitter milk. You can also use this to make a Tom Collins where Tom is not a virgin. But 1 ounce should be plenty in this instance of bitter milk. This is made with elderflower and hops and sugar and lemon juice. And maybe there are other things, but it doesn't really matter because we're just going to top that off with some tonic water. There you go. We're going to do a little twist of lime or a little express of the oils on the top of the glass. And I can't actually twist this very well with one hand, but maybe I should just practice my one-handed bartender technique because you never know when that could come in handy. So there's your twist. Let's try it. We'll give it a stir first. A little bit of a stir, even with the twist in there. Now it looks pretty. That is lovely. No alcohol needed. But you could if you wanted to. So there's your Tom the Virgin. Please don't drink and drive. Please wash your hands often and thoroughly. And please like and share. Have a great night.